Thank you, Swati. We are so much excited to reach to the final milestone phase of our project. Reaching to this final phase helps bring our drug to the market, and which will help essentially a lot of asthmatic patients. Since the start of the project, we have not only defined our SLAs, which is the service level agreement, and also we have finalized the key performance indicators, which are very essential in order to provide the strength of our drug called Tesendra. So the key performance indicators which are used to establish our product effective in the market and say that our study is complete. This brings to our completion phase, and now we can move on to the next slide. This next slide is all about the issues and the steps we took to resolve these issues. The primary issue which we faced was the site monitoring system, which was not able to identify the laboratory values and set the proper range for them. In order to resolve this issue, we created an ECRF instructions which was later added to the laboratory module as a reference ranges. This was very essential for all the key personnels to know the list of ranges which are acceptable and which are harmful. Moving on to the second issue, which is the medical coding of combination therapies. In order to resolve this issue, we chose WHO Drug Dictionary in order to train the medical coders to find the new version of all the dictionaries. Updating the coding dictionary before the study, log and document it so that the data management plan can be successful. The third and the most important issue which we faced was high volume of serious adverse effects of our drug. This is very critical as we wanted to find out all the key effects which are causing harmful behaviors in the test subjects. In order to resolve the high volume of serious adverse effect, we created an adverse effect reconciliation list, which was created through SAS program. SAS program uses all the clinical data gathered during our clinical trial and helps analyzing them and listing out all the side effects of the drug. Now I will let my teammate continue. Thank you.